Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Axial Ryft. Well guys, as I mentioned in the intro, this is Axial's newest model, the Ryft. But before we get too far, I wanted to thank you all for stopping in and taking a look at my video. Now with that over, let's get started. So this does feature the DX3 transmitter. This is a 3-channel transmitter, though you're only going to be using 2 channels in this model. This does feature these battery indicator levels on the controller if you're using the Spectrum Smart batteries and chargers. The electronics that are featured in this model are this Spectrum S614S servo, metal gears with a servo saver, the Spectrum Firma 130 amp ESC, and 2200 kV brushless motor. Both the motor and the speed controller are capable of handling 4S LiPo. This model is massive. I was very impressed with the size of this when I pulled it out of the box. The tires are measuring 6 inches tall, and the wheelbase measures 15 3/8 inch long. The suspension travel in this model is almost 8 inches, so that is quite impressive, the amount of flex that they have available here. The suspension in this model is aluminum shocks with threaded bodies. They are mostly aluminum links except for the lower rear link, which is plastic. If you look at that strange mount on the back of the car, that kind of looks like a mount for a sway bar kit, but I can't confirm that just yet. Looking at the back of the vehicle, you can see there is a cast aluminum gear cover. There's also a brake disc and brake caliper featured behind every tire. The hubs, lockouts, and knuckles are all plastic, but with Axial's popularity, it would not surprise me if there were metal ones coming out. Looking at the front end, you get a good look at that S614S servo, as well as the servo saver I spoke of. And again, you'll see the metal gear cover. You'll also notice that all of the drag links are metal with plastic rod ends. The interior is vacuum-formed plastic with molded helmets. You also get a good look at the speed controller located between the drivers. I believe this is a great position for cooling. The battery is cleverly hidden underneath the hood here, so this swings out of the way and you'll see the battery compartment. The battery will be held down with a single Velcro strap, and the battery will also need to feature an IC5 or EC5 connector. Looking under the model, you can see plastic drive shafts, but the yokes are steel. This flat plate on the bottom should be very nice about not getting caught up on rocks and providing a nice slick surface to slide on. Now with all of the boring spec stuff out of the way, let me give you a guided tour. Well guys, as you can see, I've been making quite a few changes to the channel, changing up the logo, the music, also the location, as you see is a new change from this week. Another new change this week is me getting in front of the camera. That has been a very challenging thing for me to build the confidence to get up in front of it. I really thank you guys for showing me the support you have. That has been a huge confidence booster for me to be able to get in front of this camera. Well, if you have enjoyed watching this video, if you've learned anything, benefited from it in any way, consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscription, and don't forget to hit that bell. I mention this in all of my videos. If you're not hitting that bell, you're not getting notified when the new content goes up. So go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap up this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.